how you can clean up disk space in your Windows device. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is go to your settings on your Windows. So after you are on your settings, go to your system settings and there you will see the storage option. Tap on storage and it might take some time to load a lot of these. So after it loads, what you'll need to do is just check it out. So here you can see that your installed apps are about this many gigabytes, your other apps are about this many, and your temporary files are about this many gigabytes. So here you can just use your storage management too. So here you can see storage sense. Now this will automatically free up space, deleting temporary files and managing locally available cloud content. But I recommend you not to use this. You might want to use your temporary files and go there and just delete all of these yourselves. So let's say you don't want to delete your downloads, so just don't select this. If you don't want to delete your recycle bin, make sure that you don't select this. But if you want to delete all of this, you can just delete them manually yourselves. And after you remove this, your storage will get cleared and your disk will also clear up. Now here you can go and clean up recommendations too. Here you can see that these will give you recommendations on what to delete and what not to delete. So you can check that out too. You can use your advanced storage settings too. And by doing all this, by just removing temporary files, you will save a lot of disk space. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you save your storage space. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.